A.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony.
B.
Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music
C.
and the step, and with the girls be handy.
1. 2.
I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle
3.
dandy. Mind the music
Let's go
and the
coloring.
step, and with the girls be handy.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
A is for airplane. It flies in the sky.
Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
'B' is for baby. Sometimes it may cry.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather
'C' is for clock. It tells you the time.
macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
1. One baby arrives. Two. Two tiny hands hold. 3. Three sweet kisses given. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Please like and subscribe to my channel.